Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a pie chart in Google Sheets. So to start with, open up your Google Sheets. There we're going to highlight the information that we want to turn into a pie chart. From there, click on Insert and scroll down to click on Chart. Then this right hand column will come up, and this is where you can select your chart type. So for today, we're going to find the pie chart option. As I scroll down, you can see there is the pie chart. So you have different options for pie charts. You have like a basic pie chart, a donut chart, or a 3D pie chart. So I'm going to click on pie chart, and you can see the information has been added to a pie chart. So from there, you have options to edit that chart in your Google Sheets. You can drag it and drop it around. You can drag the corners in and out to make it bigger and make it fit in your Google Sheet a little bit better. So that's it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.